walking around, the plant disappears in front of the insects, you see? So they think it's dead, and in that way continues looking for another one. This is water. When I touch, they have a special nervous system to make it possible to close. When the nervous system feel me, immediately dehydrated the leaf that is making close, and 10 minutes after the water. This is new. This is all already, and you see the other root system coming down. You see it? The root system is coming from the big philodendron up there.
Oh yeah.
So the plant.
Little critters, they have little animals. They feed them that?
Actually, the ants is that we call social insects. She's trying to carry in a very piece of leaf. Beautiful purple flowers, is that you see hanging on your left side of the forest, from the middle part of the trees to all the way up in the canopies. We are moving around two different kind of forests. The first part of the tour is in the young forest, or baby forest. And the second part of the tour that we're going to see, it's a primary or very old forest. Remember, we go up, and the elevation in our last tower, it's in 1,000, one of the most beautiful and the most colorful that we have.
Yes.
Water is running. We got a natural spring water. For that reason, the water up here is clean and can be drinkable, because we don't have nothing to pollute the water on the top of the mountain. It's coming from your right side to your left side down below.
Oh yeah. It's amazing how this color is related to the Olympics.
I know, and that people are
The Olympics? Olympic mountains around here. I mean, in
120
Washington.
inches of rain on the far side of Washington State.
To grow seed.
Right.
We have that one too, but it's indoors, more of the outdoors. Parasites. So when they have a stomachache, they come to eat the jabillo fruits.
Butterfly. Where is this? Flying right down in there.
Your rainy season will be much bigger.
Oh, very, very big. It's so big, the waterfall, that you can hear me when it's rainy season.
So most of this rock in here is lava-based rock, is it?
Yes, volcanic. Everything is by volcanic eruptions and earthquakes.
So more termites there.
Years. The elephant ear plants that you keep as a house plant.
Yes.
The forests are the places to produce oxygen for us, but only 1% of the forests around the world, it's a tropical forest. If we don't keep them safe, someday they will be disappeared. In other places, people have cut hectares and hectares of forests only for lumber and even to make them big as the cities.